The Burger Wars, they are heating up, and this time they're heating up with K-pop demon hunters, if you can believe it. Mickey D's, fresh off the big arch, is getting into a new start with K-pop demon hunters and the Saja Boys. Full details right here on geeksandgamers.com. Alex Gurzo, the writer. If you're not yet bookmarked to geeksandgamers.com, well, you should be. It was only a matter of time before K-pop demon hunters came to McDonald's, but it's finally here. In collaboration with Netflix, McDonald's has unveiled a new menu based on K-pop demon hunters, the hit animated film from the streamer. Now, what's interesting about this is it's coming out the same day that Mario lands, and I guess Mario is going to be the Happy Meal for kids, and K-pop demon hunters is going to be the grown-up Happy Meals. This is a new phenomenon. It's a new phenomenon where these fast food chains are basically doing grown-up Happy Meals. This is the first time, though, that I can remember there being, one property is kids and another one is grown-ups. And here you go. K-pop demon hunters is what they're doing. So what do you get? Okay, so Saja Boys you can only get for breakfast, okay? So if you go in the AM, you're going to get the Saja Boys. And here's what the Saja Boys, what they have. They got an adult breakfast Happy Meal that includes a spicy Saja McMuffin, hash browns, and exclusive Saja Boy photo cards. What do you get if you want to get K-pop demon hunters? Okay, so if you get the K-pop demon hunters, Huntrix, their meal is a 10-piece chicken McNuggets, boring Ramyeon or Ramyeon McShaker fries, which is basically a little garlic powder on your Frenchy fries, boring hunter sauce and demon sauce. All right, I think they could have done better. But why are they doing this? Folks, you know why. This is them, okay? This is the CEOs last time battling each other, Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King, A&W, etc. Just remember, this is what it's all about now.
First of all, let's try to get this thing. I don't even know how to attack it. Got so much to it.
That's McDonald's guy eating the big arch.
That's a big bite for a big arch.
And this turned into who could unhinge their job in a bigger way to eat the burger.
Only one thing missing. A napkin.
That's a burger. This is exactly the way a great hamburger should be.
I don't even know how to attack it. I guess with my mouth. Moment of truth. No, that's good.
I mean, the funniest thing ever. But okay, so they're all. It's the Burger Wars, and the latest in the gauntlet that's been thrown down is McDonald's going with K-pop demon hunters. MJ, I think this is gonna listen. This is the most genius marketing ever because there is nothing more boring or plain than 10 chicken McNuggets with a little bit of spicy sauce, right? Any restaurant on earth can serve you 10 pieces of chicken McNuggets with something mixed with Tabasco, but they're gonna call it K-pop. And they're going to sell a lot of chicken nuggets. I mean, if I'm a chicken right now, I'm furious at this collaboration.
Oh, we're totally going to get those. It looks like fun. I mean, but it is boring. I wonder if the shaker is going to be like a ramen noodle flavor, because the girls like the soup, the ramen noodle soup in the movie. So the fries are probably going to have like that ramen noodle flavor, I think. But I would just get the Happy Meals for what's inside. Sometimes I just go and I'm like, can I have a toy? I don't want the food. Just give me the toys. And they'll sell you the toys, literally. So, yeah. I mean, we're going to try it all. I have a big clan that I can go with, and we'll try the breakfast and the lunch. I just think it's crazy. I think it's funny. It's creative. It's
creative, but culture, they could have done so much more. Where are the purple potatoes representing the demons from K-pop Demon Hunter?
Oh, purple potato.
10 nuggets, 10 nuggets culture.
Yeah, look, you know how I feel about the fake flavors and the fake food and all that other stuff. And McDonald's fries are just not really fries anymore. It's starch sticks.
Pause that for a minute, Bash. Pause that B-roll for a minute. Can you do that? Do I need to do that? Hang on.
Starch sticks.
Go back. Just leave it. Do you know about the Derpy Shake?
There's a Derpy Shake.
They're doing a Derpy Shake. That's the one thing I didn't bring up. That's creative. It's like blueberry or raspberry, but it's purplish blue, and it's a shake, and they mix it in, and it looks like the cat. It's a Derpy Shake.
See, and then I'm thinking, okay, what chemicals went into creating that flavor?
Don't think about it too hard.
Oh, okay. See, and that's the biggest problem is I just want food to be food, which is why the Burger Wars thing was so funny to me.
Look at that, blueberries culture. How can you be mad? Look, that's a blueberry parfait frosted, treat. How can you not like blueberries? What is wrong with you?
I like blueberries as long as it's not faux flavoring. Again.
Guys, there's some good news about all of this. The food coloring is going to be banned pretty soon in this country. If you think about it, and culture can back me up on this, they're using beet juice to
what have you done?
To kind of replace the red, but if they really wanted to get creative, they could have, done something with the fries to kind of give that color for the K-pop girls, for Rumi and Zoe and Mira. They could have done a lot of creativity, but let's face it, we're going to all go just for the box and for what's inside.
Culture.
I know
what you're trying to do. Culture. We are not doing a 30-minute dissertation on natural food dyes. This panel is not made for a 15-minute discussion of the positives about methionine.
No. All I'm going to say is, look, I can't fault these restaurants for pursuing these kinds of things, and if they do it creatively, as you suggest, I mean, I'm all for it. As long as if it's aimed at young people and this is, limited consumption, it's like, a special treat or something. I'm not going to get anybody's case for that. But like I said, I just, for me, it signals a different problem we have with our value restaurants now. And the fact that they have to entice people some way to get into the restaurants because the value, just like with Disney, is gone.
Vash.
Done. Hunt tricks don't mix.
Vash is golden, a great fit for the Golden Arches. And are you pleased with this? Or you think that McDonald's should have done a little bit more?
I think this is a decent rollout considering the number of franchises that we have on the horizon, especially for the summer. And I'm sure they have promotional packages and so forth that they have deals with, right? And so, K-pop Demon Hunters being involved in this way, I think is a little bit late, but obviously we know the problems and the issues getting to this point, which is why it was delayed and so forth. I think for the timing and for what they're actually offering, I think it's pretty decent. We'll have to see how this actually goes, though, because this could turn into a real phenomenon in which there's a run on some of these toys right here, because K-pop Demon Hunter stuff can be hard to find.
Oh, yeah.
So that's going to be really, really interesting. But by the way, I find this kind of age thing very, very interesting, because we would have previously broken this down by... Yeah, so I guess Super Mario Galaxies is for the kids, and then K-pop Demon Hunters. Go ahead, please.
Point. No, good point, Bash.
We're following along. You're making great sense.
Right. Well, so previously we would have probably seen like a boy's toy and a girl's toy, and that would be the distinguishment between the two brands. Here, they're actually doing on age. I find that the most interesting. I used to work at McDonald's for a number of years there, so I happen to know a lot about at least the previous marketing and how it all worked, how they are marketing the stuff towards adults. I find very, very fascinating, and it's something that we've been talking about how Disney has been keying in on for a little while.
We're all kids at heart. At the end of the day, we're all kids at heart, right, guys? I mean, we're all gonna go for the toys.
Grown up Happy Meals.
Yes.
Look, you can't blame them for that. Again, we have a lot of younger adults that aren't quite ready to be adults, so they're fully engaged in the toy market. We've got collectors, obviously, and that's why they don't have as many things that you can find easily for K-pop Demon Hunters, because they're just getting soaked up by the collector market. So Vash, you're 100% right. Look, I can't talk negatively about their efforts to market this outside of I just want it to be healthy. And I blame you for my McDonald's start shticks habit that I had when I was in my teenage years.
You know what started this whole thing? That Rick and Morty episode with the Szechuan sauce, and then McDonald's did it, and they couldn't keep the Szechuan sauce in stock. This is like 7-8 years ago with Rick and Morty when it first debuted. That's what kicked us off. And now everybody's trying to get in the grown up Happy Meal thing. Vash, you said you worked at a Mickey D's once upon a time. Vash, have you tried the Big Arch?
No. I it might be either before my time or after my time. There were a range of sandwiches that actually came out.
No, it's out right now. It's their big burger. It's their promotion. It's going to go away.
I see.
You got to hurry, Vash. It's 2 quarter-pound patties with Big Mac sauce.
They're already making, the live chat already made a new meal. It's called the McVash. I don't know if you guys.
What's in the McVash?
I'm not sure what it contains, but it's a McVash. It's official.
Folks in the comments, let us know. No, Vash, you don't give them a clue. They're going to come up with it on their own. Tell us what is in a McVash.
Thanks for watching That Park Place News. For more information, consider checking out www.thatparkplace.com. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and send this out on your favorite social media accounts.